Hello everyone, it's Jessie34 here, and I'm here with another little haul. Now this time I went to another shop to get this. To be more precise, I went to a proxy shop to get these items that I got. Now the shop that I wanted to get stuff from was from Stellaworth. That's where they have a lot of like rare like charms and stuff, a lot of otome games or BL games, but I couldn't read the site because it's all in Japanese, so I decided to go to a proxy to go and get me that stuff. So I went to the White Rabbit Express proxy shop. So they got the stuff for me, so of course I had to pay like a fee for it. Now with White Rabbit Express, you would have to, there's a couple of fees. Like one, there's the shop fee, like depending on the shop that you're going to, you have to pay like a $4 fee for that. And if you like going to like multiple shops, that price is up, that goes up. So yeah, there's fees for that. But it's much easier just do one shop. That way you can do kind of do a little cheaper. So I decided to just get all this stuff from one shop. And there's also a fee per item, so that's like $1 per item as well. And also there's a service fee, so that's about $3 to $4. So you know that adds up. And yep, so I decided to get these little charms, and of course I had to get it from my favorite BL game, Lucky Dog 1, so I got a bunch of charms on this. So it came up to like about 90 something dollars altogether. So yeah, but I did get refunded back some, like a little bit of money back, because it was basically all in one shop, so that kind of saved me back. So they usually do it if you're just mainly doing it from one shop. If you do it from multiple shops, that's definitely that fee is gonna go up really fast. So yeah, but it was really easy using that shop, so I'm really happy I was able to find these items, because I couldn't find these at like Mandarake or Ami, so I had to, find a way to try to buy something from those other sites that couldn't hardly read. And so I'm just going to open this up. So I got the package here. Oh, this package is really nice. Wow. Oh, so these are my items here. Wow. You can tell that was really nice shipping there. Oh, darn. I wanted to drop it and hurt it now. Wow. Now, one of the items I did get, it was like part of like this little picture with all the CR5 members from Lucky Dog 1, but it was, I wanted to get all of them. Unfortunately, one of them sold out, and I wanted to get the whole entire thing, so I kind of just got like my two favorite pairings in there. So I got John, and also I got Julio, but he's in another package that I'm waiting on. So I got some other charms with him, and that's like in a separate package. And also I got another set of the charms with the 5 guys, but one of them is with the other charm, and the other 4 it'll be sent in a separate box. So I gotta wait for that to be. I gotta wait to pay the shipping on that one. So once they get into the mailbox, then I'll be able to send it faster. So I'll be able to use EMS. Unfortunately, with the other package, I used Sal, but this one right here, I did EMS. So yeah. I was not expecting this to be this big. No wonder the price raised up there. So now this was supposed to be part of like another package, but I had it. They also have with White Rabbit Express. They also do like a consolidation, so you can like put packages together, which I thought was really nice. So I decided to just put those together. I wish I had done that with the. I wish I had waited a couple of days later. That way I could have sent all those together, but I wasn't thinking. So this looks really nice. I was not expecting this to look so big. That just looks so cute. Can't wait for the other one. Of course, this is like a little stand. That just looks so cute. Oh my god. I wish I can get the other ones. Hopefully they restart the other one that one. I don't want to just get like, I don't want to just get like 4/5 of the group. And so let me get the other set, which is this was also like for another promotional poster or picture, which I got in the poster. But I wanted the acrylic stands for these as well. These are the ones where they're like holding little pillows, like they're on a little cloud or something like that. So we have John right here holding his little star pillow there. Good. This just looks so cute. Oh my god, I was not expecting these to be this big, but they just look so cute. Oh my god. We have John there. Next we have Bernardo. That's so cute. I just like those poses here. Too bad the poster for this one sold out, but I would have gotten all of them all together anyway, but here we have Bernardo there. These are my first time getting these type of stands. Like I've been thinking about getting the Tokirambu stands, but these I'm really glad I found these. The Stellaworth has like a lot of those like DL and otome items, like the little click stands, like little posters and stuff like that. So there's like a bunch of stuff to choose from. And also a little thing I just noticed one of these little bases, they also have little stars on them too. And here we have Lucino. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I definitely gotta get my I definitely gotta get my shelf together because I want to put these up there immediately. But I want to show these off first. Here we have my favorite here, Julio. Oh yeah, I also forgot to show like the bags. It's kind of like a little fit in the back there. And it also has the Tennoji logo at the bottom there. That's the like the company that shows out these games. There's so much to unwrap here. We have, last but not least, we have Yvonne. Oh my god, they just all look so cute, little suits. Aww. Little pillows here. I'll tuck it out. Aww. I tell you, these really turn out great. Like, I definitely was thinking these would be like a little smaller, but yeah, these are definitely the appropriate size that I need for these. And so yeah, those are all the items. And definitely, White Rabbit Express definitely packages their stuff really neatly. I just like that. Things all bunched up and nothing like that. Like there's no no try to fit little items in the big boxes and none of that stuff like Ami does, but this is really good. This I like this packaging. So everything came in safely. I am definitely going to start buying more from the White Rabbit Express proxies. They do a really good job. It was really easy getting the items that I went to purchase from them. That was really nice. And of course, before I finish this video, I just had to show this off. Now, I took off the Reimu and Rem plushies off of here, so I decided this would be a nice way, much nicer way to display these. This looks really nice, and of course, like just to have the roses back there, it's just it just looks so beautiful. It's so appropriate. And so I'm just going to decide to keep it like this and just let my plushies just stay on my bed for a while until I find like get myself another shelf to put them back on the top. But this looks really nice. I like how this is displayed. And so I hope you enjoyed this little video, and everyone, have a nice day.